Should you practice rejection therapy or is it going to traumatize the hell out of you? I think you should do it. If you're not familiar, the concept of rejection therapy is basically make sure you get rejected a lot. Be bold and ask for things that you're probably going to get rejected for. Now, the idea is that the more you do that, the more comfortable you get with rejection and the more willing you are to ask for things, to go for opportunities, and the more confident you get and the more your life improves. Now, this is something that I've dabbled with, I've talked about it to a certain extent. I always talk about the fact that you should go for it, you should take risks, and it's okay. You're gonna get rejected sometimes when you try to make friends, for example, and it's fine. You just move on to the next person, right? So I think I'm going to start practicing rejection therapy more, and I'll keep you posted. And I would like you to do that as well. So if you have any ideas for your rejection therapy, let me know here in the comments. I'll give you an example, right? The other day it was really stupid. I made things awkward, which I like. That's the thing. I actually like making things awkward because I find it funny. I'm in Thailand right now. I'm in Chiang Mai, and there's a Taco Bell in Chiang Mai. They have Taco Bell in Thailand. So I saw a white guy eating a Taco Bell. I walked past him and I said, Taco Bell in Chiang Mai, huh? Is it good? And he said, I don't know. I'm about to find out. He was about to take his first bite. He was unwrapping the burrito or whatever. And so I said, can I stick around until you have your first bite and then you tell me how it is? And he laughed and he said, no, man. So I was like, all right, cool. Have a good night. To me, it was funny. So just little things like that. And in Bangkok a few weeks ago, I saw a guy kicking a tree. Like there was like a cushion on a tree. And he was like a pad, and he was kicking it to practice Muay Thai. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. And I was like, hey, can I try it? And he was like, yeah, sure, go ahead. And I did a little bit of Muay Thai last year in Barcelona, but I forgot how to kick, so he taught me how to kick, and I did it for like 2 minutes. And so I did not get rejected, and it felt great, but had I gotten rejected, it would have been fine, But it's something that you really have to keep in mind so you don't forget to do it. You really got to prime yourself to go for these opportunities, and just little things. Maybe you see someone wearing a cool hat and you're like, hey, can I try your hat on? Can you take a picture of me with your hat? It's just an example. So I'm going to try to come up with a bunch of different ideas for this. I'm going to try them out. I want to keep you posted. I'll probably make more videos about this, but I think I'm mostly going to write about this in my newsletter, okay? And I'm going to document all of that. By sending out emails. So make sure you're subscribed. There's a link down in the description. You will also get a free guide on how to make friends if you subscribe to my newsletter. And again, please suggest your own ideas. Let's do this. Let's get rejected and let's improve our lives. All right, let's get more confident. Let's get more charismatic. Let's make friends. This is gonna be great. Now make sure you press like and you also subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right? Go out there and make friends!